Next section, other types of social groups. Reference group. Definition. These groups to which individuals relates himself as a part or to which he relates himself psychological. Look at this picture. Individual. Reference group. Family, friends, social classes, etc. Band. Definition. Band is the original form of local group which stand at the lowest level of people organization. Example, migratory hunters. Caste groups. Caste is a group characterized by hereditary membership and endogamy. Crowd. Meaning, unorganized social structure. Definition. A large number of people gathered or considered together. Theories of crowd behavior. First theory, Le-Bon's theory. Spontaneity, the violence, the ferocity, and also be enthusiasm. Second theory, McDouglas theory. The behavior of unorganized groups or crowd. Third, Freud's theory. Group psychology and analysis of ego remarks. Fourth theory, Allport's theory. Sympathetic indication of emotion. Fifth, Tuner's theory. Most violent and dangerous crowds. Characteristics of crowd. First, nameless group. Second, it is a temporary. Third, has no membership. Fourth, unstable, unorganized. Fifth, has irrational behavior. Sixth, has no leadership. Types of crowd. First, formal structured crowd. Example, religious congregations. Second, lawless crowds without law and order. Third, casual crowds. People gather around the accident. Mob. Definition. It is an aggregate of people or person who are motivated by anger or exhilaration in certain situation. It is an active crowd stimulated under certain condition of successes or failures on social pursuits. Example, football or cricket, victory or failures. Racial groups. Meaning, this word sometimes has to use to denote classification of human being on the basis of the skin color, such as black race or white race. Definition. Race as a scientific concept applies only to the biological grouping of human types. Minority groups. Definition: a minority or subordinate groups is a sociological group that does not constitute a politically dominant voting majority of the total population of a given society. Types: first, racial or ethical minorities; second, religious minorities; third, gender and sexual minorities; fourth, linguistic minorities; audience. Definition: group of people assembled in a studio, theater or auditorium to witness a presentation or performance. Characteristics of audience: specific purpose, predetermined time and place, attentive performer, control and organized, definite pattern of interaction. Types of audience: information seeking audience, conversational audience, recreational audience, religious audience, political. Public groups: it is a group may be defined as a group which is used to public utility such as public park and public library. Nation as a group: a large number of people of mainly common descent, language, culture and history, usually associated with some specific territory. Economic group: a group of people involved to the production, development and management of material wealth as of a country, household or business enterprise. Political group: a political faction is a grouping of individuals, especially within a political organization such as political party, a trade union or other group with a political purpose. It may also be referred to a power bloc or a voting bloc. In-group: a group of people share similar interests and attitudes, producing feeling of solidarity, community and uniqueness. Out-group: a group of people excluded from or not belonging to one's own group, especially when viewed as subordinate, different. Thank you. Have a nice day.